Well, we all are living in a digital era, and we know how important it is to gather information, to acquire knowledge. Technology is changing every nanosecond, and it's very important being updated. And that's exactly why EdLumens Labs is introducing a series of webinars for you so that you are consistently updated on different topics, different technologies. Last week, we had our initial session on artificial intelligence, and in the upcoming weeks, we plan to have more sessions in cybersecurity, infrastructure management, blockchain, data science, etc. And we'll be very happy to get more suggestions from all our dear students whether we need to add more topics into these webinar series. I request all of you to leverage these sessions and be a part of our webinar community. It's just a call away. Do it right now and be a part of it. All the best.